I want to thank you in advance for watching my YouTube video. This is an EDC carry. A little bit of everything I carry on a daily basis. I know it's not much. Sorry about the lighting. I'm in my garage. It sucks. Got a heat lamp up there. I recently got into EDC carry not too long ago, so my collection or my EDC gear is not big yet, but the one big thing I do carry every day is my mountain bike. I ride that around every day. Cell phone bag, water bottle, lights, whole 9 yards. 26-inch hardtail front suspension, Mongoose. That's one of the things I carry. The other thing I carry is on my wrist is a paracord bracelet. It's got some wear to it. It's got the flint striker, or ferrocerium rod is what they call them. Whistle right there. It's ferrocerium rod in the middle. The metal piece is the striker. Another thing I carry, this is in my wallet, is a little handy survival tool. Circle down here where my thumb's at is a sun compass. Lanyard hole right there. Small wrenches. Big wrenches, bottle opener, can opener. Saw. Wing nut wrench, knife right here. Oh, that's what they call a knife. Flathead screwdriver, ruler. Sorry. That's number 2. Carry that in my wallet. One of the flashlights I carry every day, Maglite LED, just a little dinky thing. One click it turns on, one click off, 2 clicks it goes dim, 1 click off, 3 clicks it strobes. I actually found this where I work. It was in one of the jumpsuits that we clean. The pocket knife I carry. It's a Smith & Wesson. Smith & Wesson, it's not a bad knife. Extreme Ops. It's got the serrated blade on one end, straight edge on the other. Very sharp. Another knife I used to carry, used to be camouflage. Yes, it's got some wear on it. Missing a screw right there. Missing a screw right there. Handle's a little loose. Blade's a little worn out, but it's also a Mossberg. Good little knife. I barely ever carry that anymore. I just recently stopped carrying this one. This is a Smith & Wesson. Sorry about the camera. I'm holding it with one hand and filming. Smith & Wesson Special Tactical. Nothing special. Not like this first one. It's got the metal handle. This one's plastic. Good little knife. Gets the job done. My new knife I carry As you can see, it's got seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, blue Monster logos, but if you can see, it's got, like, I want to say dragon claws ripping the Monster logo open. The cool thing about this knife is you just push and it clicks out. Spring assist open. Pretty good knife. This is the newest flashlight I carry. Runs on one AA battery. It's got night vision light, as you can see, regular light, night vision, and it's even got a blood tracking light. Orange button, belt clip. It's not a bad knife. Another thing I carry, because you can't be too safe anymore, is a chest camera. Sorry, not USB. SD card goes in there. You turn it on up here, right there. Sorry, right here on the side. This button up here is to record and turn it off. You got your mode, your reset, charger. Right now I got it on the lanyard because the clip that you carried on your chest with broke on me, so I carry that. Works really good too. That's a little of everything I carry. 2 flashlights, and yes, I do carry both flashlights. Should never be too safe. I usually carry this knife and this knife with me. Bracelet is always on me. This is always in my wallet. So, thank you in advance for watching. If you have any tips or any upgrades that I can do, please let me know. Thank you.